to my channel, Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Guys, thank you so much for keep returning to my channel, watching my videos. I really do appreciate that. And if this is your first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Just go ahead and look below this video and just click on the subscribe button and you will become a part of the Precious family. Okay guys, now I worked hard because I had to go to different stores trying to find the items because I'm coming to you today with the living room refresh. So I'm refreshing my living room, took down the summer decor, and I'm putting up what I put up the fall decor. I'm going to show you guys how I decorated on a budget, did a little refreshing, went out and bought a few pieces, and this is just to give my home that fall vibe, that harvest look. Just want to change with the season, and just want to show you how you can just decorate on a budget without going out spending a lot of money, just knowing where to go and shop. Now I work hard for you guys just to show you what I have done since the summer. Okay, so this is my first fall, since I had this channel, and so everything is sort of new to me, so I'm learning as I go. So the pieces that I picked up, I'm not expecting for everybody to like it, but I did want to show it. So I am getting ready to turn this camera loose so you can see what I done, what refreshing I did for the fall decor, what fall decor that I put in my living room to refresh it. Okay, and if I have time, I will show you the refreshing of the kitchen also. I did a fall refresh for my kitchen and also for my dining area, but we'll see how far we get on this because I don't want to make the video too long. I just might have to come back and do those two separately, but I did want to show you my living room. So let's jump into the video. Okay, hope you like it. Okay guys, now we are going to start off with this beautiful chandelier. So I do have lighting in my living room now. So thanks to Mr. Henry, the electrician, for coming in and putting my wiring in the attic. And thanks to my husband, my hubby, for installing this beautiful chandelier. It is so gorgeous. Thanks to both of them for all of their hard work. And on the table here, I have a little DIY that I did. I had that in my last video, where I turned this junk into treasure. This was like all green leaves, and I was getting ready to throw those away. And the little vase that it is sitting in, this is from Burlington. I picked up 2 of those. There's the other one right there. I didn't want to put anything in it right now. And the pumpkin, picked this up from Burlington. It was $6.99, and also these vases was $6.99 each. Take it back, they was $8.99 each. Gotta get that price right. And the little pumpkin, got that from the Dollar Tree. Okay, and on the other end of the table, here is my other DIY. Let me straighten up my little candle there. Here's my other DIY. I had showed this in the same video from Junk to Treasure. I was getting ready to throw this away, so I needed a gold candlestick, candle pillar holder, so I DIY'd that in metallic gold. And this little pumpkin there, that's from the Dollar Tree. And the vase from Burlington. And the little leaves, maple leaves, they from the Dollar Tree. And the other accessories that's inside, or the other floral that's inside of the vase, that's from Burlington. And here I have my curtain. They are a 95 extra long. So I put up like the smoky gray curtains. Okay, and of course I have my plants here. Okay, on the love seat, I got some 2 burnt orange pillows. These are just the covers I got from Amazon, and they are gorgeous. The picture on Amazon does them no justice. And here I have my little throw, little white furry throw that's real nice and soft, furry. I got that thrown on the arm of my love seat. But here I did just a little small little floral arrangement down at the bottom, on the bottom shelf, with the sticks, the little 2 foxes from the Dollar Tree, the pumpkin from the Dollar Tree, the floral from the Dollar Tree, the little sticks DIY, the candle is DIY as well. Okay, on each end of the table, I have this little pretty, I call it, I don't know, little circles. I don't know, but I have it. And this was $9.99. I got 2 of those. Okay, there's the other one. And this centerpiece here, got this from Burlington. No, I take it back, guys. Let me make sure where I got this from so I won't mislead you. Got it from Ross. So, correction, I got these pieces from Ross. All 3 of these pieces came from Ross. And this one in the center is $24.99. And as you can see, I got the little pumpkins in it from the Dollar Tree, and those are just beads. Okay, and the mirror. Yeah, I had that in my first video. Got that off the Facebook Marketplace. Drove to Murfreesboro, Tennessee to pick that up. She is gorgeous. I just love her. I'm going to tell you a little bit about what's on this table. Okay, here we have the beautiful tray from Ross. And we got the little chimpanzee from Burlington. And the pumpkin came from the Dollar Tree. And the book was DIY. And the candlestick came from, that was Ross for $12.99. No, $9.99. And the candle pillow came from Ross for $49. And these maple leaves and the bucket that's holding the leaves, both of these came from the Dollar Tree. Well, all of this set came from the Dollar Tree. I got about 4 stems in there. Okay, and on the couch here, I got my throw that came from Marshall. It's very thick, it's heavy, and very soft texture. And that was $19.99. And my pillow came from Burlington in a burnt orange. It's $14.99. Has a little shimmering in it. I just love the pillow and the throw as well. And here we have, well, those pillows, they came with the couch, if you're wondering. And here we have a beautiful picture. Has the gold metallic in it and a smoky gray and different shades of little tans, a little bit of greenery in it. I got this from Burlington, and I had went to Burlington doing a shop with me, was asking everyone which picture should I get, and I believe Keisha got that correctly. I ended up getting this picture here over the black and white bigger square picture. So congratulations to Keisha Richardson, Mount Silla. Okay, and over here in this corner, I have basically the same thing set up, but this candle here is a little taller than the other candle on the other side of the couch. This one here was $12.99. Okay, I was getting the price mixed up. Okay, and my little pumpkin done fell over. Let's pick her up. Oh, still got the tag on it. I'll take the tag off of it later. Okay, and my sconce on the wall here. Okay, I got 2 of those, one on each side of the window. Guys, I just want to capture a picture of my living room as the sun is setting. And I like the little sparkle that reflects off of my chandelier and also off of my mirror vase over there on the table. And so it just give it that little cozy, romantic look. So I just wanted to capture this because ever since I put my little vase up and my chandelier in the evening, it gives me this beautiful little romantic, feeling. So I just want to show you guys that. Okay, just gonna give you another pan around the living room one more time.